Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be checking out these cool packs of SOTSU cards that are great for adding to your, let's show you right here, your main deck of the SOTSU trading card game. So we're going to go ahead and open up some of these. Let's see, it has some facts here on the back in regards to the insert cards and their rarity. You have a chance to find some cool collectible cards in here, whether you want to collect these, you're a card collector of all sorts, or like I said, you're looking to build on to this main pack right here. So let's go ahead and crack open a pack of these. There you go. Looks just like those regular cards in your primary pack. A whole bunch of different ones in here. A little bit of a rare card here. Let's see, what is that? Look at that. All right, cool. So as you can see, definitely does include a rare card in there. So that's cool. Let's go ahead and open up these other two packs here really quick and see what we have inside them. All right, cool. So in the second pack, here is our more rare card right there. We have the bank. You can see how it sparkles. Looks really cool. So it looks like you're going to get a good assortment of all types of cards whenever you do open one of these packs. Let's go ahead, open up this last one here. All right, cool. So this one looks really neat. A nice speed up card here. Right there you go. It is a special one. And then we have all of the other cards that were included in the pack as well. Overall, really cool little expansion packages right here. If you're looking to build up, like I said, on this cool SOTSU card game, if you're not familiar with this, go ahead and check it out. There is a video on that product as well. I hope you all really enjoy these cards. I hope your kids really enjoy these cards. Y'all have a good day.